Dry cough is a common adverse effect of A. ACE inhibitors, B. Thiazides, C. ARBs. National Science Day is celebrated in honor of A. Jagdish Chandra Bose, B. Homi Bhabha, C. Vikram Sarabhai, D. C. V. Raman. Agonist produces A. No effect, B. Toxicity, C. Block, D. Response. D. Government employees. Which of the following is a catecholamine? A. Thyroxine. Drug from animal sources. A. Ethanol, B. Heparin, C. Penicillin, D. Razapine. D. Toxicity. What is the unit of speed? A. Meter per second. Which is the capital of Sri Lanka? A. Colombo. Donepezil acts by A. ACE inhibition, aminoglycoside toxicity, AIIMS. Therapeutic drug monitoring is most important for drugs with A. Wide therapeutic index. Which polymer is commonly used in sustained release drug formulation? Muscarinic receptors are A. GPCR, B. Ion channel. Example of BCS class 3 drug: A. Propanolol, B. Acyclovir. GIT extends from A. Stomach to anus. ABC analysis is based on A. Quantity. Example of MAO inhibitor: A. Phenelzine. Chloramphenicol is obtained from A. Streptomyces venezuelae. Therapeutic index is ratio of A. Dose time. Dot. Chloramphenicol causes RRB. A. Cardiotoxicity, B. Nephrotoxicity, C. Hepatitis. Main advantage of unit dose dispensing system is A. Increases wastage, B. Increases cost. Therapeutic index TI is ratio of A. ED50 TD50. Unaccustomed Earth is written by A. Arundhati Roy, B. Kamla Das, C. Jampa Lahiri. Schedule K includes A. Antibiotics, B. Narcotics. Agonist binds to receptor and produces. What is the unit of speed? A. M squared, B. Meter per second, C. Watt, D. Kilogram. Which is the smallest continent? A. South America, B. Europe, C. Australia, D. Antarctica, D. Orissa. Which is the capital of Sri Lanka? A. Colombo, B. Kandy. The science which is concerned with the study of mechanism of action of drug and pharmacological effects produced on the human body is known as A. Pharmacodynamics. Which is the largest democracy in the world? A. India, B. China, C. Russia, D. USA. Drug with high VD is stored in A. Kidney, B. Tissue, C. Plasma. In iron limit test, thioglycolic acid converts Fe cubed to A. Fe squared, B. Fe to the power of 4. Which temple is known as Bandar Ghati? A. Badrinath Temple, B. Galtarji Temple, C. Kedarnath Temple. High clearance means A. Fast elimination. B. Slow elimination. Michael. D. Time.